Hey everyone, hope you're having an amazing day. My name is Jerko Leo and welcome to my YouTube channel. So today in this video, I'm going to show you how to make homemade burgers and homemade burger buns. Enough talking, let's make this, shall we? Okay, first things first, we're going to make our burger buns. I got this recipe from Joshua Wiseman's burger buns video. It's a mix with brioche bun and Hokkaido milk bread recipe. This is by far the best burger buns you'll ever make. To make our burger buns, we're going to make our Tangzhong, and that makes our burger buns fluffier and more enjoyable to eat a burger. In a saucepan, add 27 grams of water, following with 60 grams of milk and 20 grams of bread flour. In a medium heat, continuously whisk it until you have a very thick paste-like consistency. Don't worry guys, it's not that complicated to make. Sorry for interrupting you guys, I just want to say that all the recipes and all the measurements are going to be in the description box, both weights and volume. Let's continue making the bread, shall we? Or burger buns. After you made your Tangzhong, in a bowl add 130 grams of warm milk. To that add 9 grams of yeast, stir it and let it sit for 5 to 10 minutes to see that if your yeast is active or not. While your yeast is blooming, in a mixing bowl add 320 grams of bread flour, 7 grams of salt, 35 grams of granulated sugar. After that, add your bloomed yeast, following with the Tangzhong, and then cracked 1 egg and 1 egg yolk, room temp obviously. Mix it till you have a nice soft dough. Once your dough is soft and barely sticking to your hand, add 42 grams of softened unsalted butter, but add it one at a time so you won't have any trouble handling the dough. Yet it'll come together, but it's much better to add the butter one at a time. And knead it until you have a strong yet elastic dough. As you can see that when I stretch the dough wider and wider, it doesn't tear apart. If it does, just continue kneading the dough. After that, shape it into a nice taut ball and let it rise for 2 hours or until doubled in size. Once your dough has risen, and now it's time to shape our dough into burger buns. So divide the dough into 6 even pieces. Each piece should weigh 105 grams. After that, grab your dough and gently stretch and fold the whole perimeter into the center, and then flip the dough seam side down, then pull the dough towards you to create that tension. And place your buns on a baking tray, evenly spaced, and let it rise for an hour. An hour later, brush your buns with an egg wash consisting of 1 whole egg and a splash of milk. Bake your buns in a preheated oven that's 180 degrees Celsius. Bake it for 20 minutes or until the buns turn golden brown. After that, brush your buns with melted butter to have that shine to your buns, and completely cool it down before you use them for your burgers. Now, it's time to make our burgers. Okay, to shape our patties, each patty should weigh at least 5 to 6 ounces, then shape it into a burger patty. Shape your patties a little wider than your palm of your hand and make a dimple in the center so that your patties will cook evenly. Then heat up your pan to medium heat. Once your pan is screaming hot, drizzle a little olive oil, about a tablespoon, and place your patty in the pan and season your patties. Always season your patties when you start to cook. Never pre-season the patties before you cook. And let it cook for 3 minutes each side or until the top turns crispy and golden brown. And add your cheese. After your cheese is melted, let it rest for a few minutes, then toast your buns. To assemble the burger, first add ketchup and mayo to the bottom bun, 1 leafy green, 1 tomato, season it with salt. Always season your tomatoes with salt, and add your patty. And finally, we finish it with the top bun with a little ketchup and mayo as well. This is by far the best burgers you'll ever make. Well, there you go guys, that's how you make homemade burgers and homemade burger buns. If you like it and if it's helpful, please give a like, comment, share, subscribe, and click the bell icon so you'll never miss any of my videos. I post every other Saturdays, and yeah, don't miss out any of my videos. Anyway, see you guys next time. Bye.